We're South Trail and welcome to Slovenia.
Okay, Finn, tell me one thing that you're excited about for this trip. Go on, what were we saying? What were we saying?
Love the mountains, love the hiking.
Probably down, isn't it? Oh.
Cause it's a bittersweet symphony that's live, trying to make ends meet. You're a slave to money, then you die. I'll take you down the only road I've ever been down. You know, the one that takes you to the places where all the things meet, yeah. No change, I can change, I can change, I can change, but I'm
Tonight, doing pasta. We've got some mince in the fridge with bolognese sauce.
Nice.
And Will has a steak sandwich, I think he's going to do. So it should be pretty good.
Got a couple.
Oh, bravo.
Thank you very much.
It's not so good. Because
Oh, don't worry about that at all. I've cooked
I
it.
usually just wait. It's not so clean. Usually I make
It's
better.
okay.
No,
It's-
do
it's-
not worry.
Wait. You must be clean for these young guys.
Adds flavour.
Yeah. Rusty flavour.
Don't know if you can currently hear me. We're cooking in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, there's a light up here.
Pretty cool.
Old man, look at my life. 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise. that makes me think
Right. Made it into Triglavsky National Park where we just came across a bear warning, so we thought we'd hop out our car
give me things that
and have a look at the sign, have a look around, see if we can spot any bears, which we haven't yet. But we're about to hit
rolling home.
Murdoch Peak,
Something like that.
and
Gonna go climb a mountain.
Old man, take a look at my life. I'm a lot like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. I want look in my eyes, and you can tell that's true.
we're up on Mount Dobler-Pesh. We've just made our sandwiches 2,014 metres up, and we're just waiting because you can't see a thing. We've got Triglav in one of these directions, but we're not sure, so we're going to wait it out. The mountain is starting to clear. We're starting to see a bit more visuality. Down here, and over here. Follow me!
Oh Jesus! Oh wow!
Now down here, we've got the rivers, the streams, and the stuff that falls down the mountain. What's it called, Will?
Scree.
The scree. Thank you.
Yeah.
That bomb is flexed. On Erdo Peak next to Deplo Peck, I think the name is.
which we had just climbed, but it didn't clear up.
9 meters here. Triglav of this direction. We've got Will and James just down there on this little ridge. Waiting for the cloud to pass.
There they are. Yeah. Wow, look at that.
After waiting for 45 minutes on this ridge, we now have the whole line, and you can just about see the base of Triglav, about 2,600 meters up. We're waiting for the last 200 meters, and hopefully we get it soon. Wow.
Oh my God!
So tell me